business, imagine this second, right this minute, if you just close your eyes and imagine the number of people going on Instagram, going on YouTube, going on Google, going on Facebook, searching for information only you can offer. And hello, you are welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am Ijapari Gang, and today I want to share with you top 5 reasons why you should start creating video content for your business. I decided to talk about this topic because you guys have been asking me, and secondly, this is my birthday month, and I promise you that in this month I'm going to be sharing a lot of content about video marketing, of which we are going to be using YouTube as a case study. So, and aside from that, creating video content is like the boom, like it changed the whole game for me. It changed my business. It's the moment I started creating video content, I started attracting global audience, I started getting speaking gigs and much more. So without wasting much of your time, the first reason why you should start creating video content for your business is search. Like Google, YouTube is the #1 search engine in the whole world because YouTube is owned by Google. And how do you get started on YouTube? You need to start creating educational content for your audience. Like the moment I want to start creating video on YouTube growth, the first question I ask is, what is that thing that is stopping you from starting your YouTube channel? And the moment I asked that question, people started answering, maybe lightning, I don't have the gadget, I don't have experience, I don't know how to edit, I don't know how to film. And because you guys have been telling me all that, that makes me to start creating content about YouTube video, because this month is my birthday month, and I promise you guys that I'll be giving you content on YouTube growth. So if you want to learn more, you can comment in the comment section of this video so that I can give you a complete playlist from how to edit, how to film, how to upload, how to create your YouTube channel, and much more. So search engine is the #1 reason why you should start creating video content for your business, because the moment someone Google a particular topic, you will see a write-up, but Google will also recommend the YouTube video for that person. So search should be the first reason why you should start creating content for a video content for your business. The second reason why you should start creating video content for your business is the reach. If you want more eyeballs on your business, you need to start creating video content, because video content is like ×7 engagement. Like, let me say, for instance, like Facebook now, if you create a video content and you write a post, let's say for the post, maybe Facebook will show 10 people, but for the video, Facebook will show 20 people. It's like ×2 exposure, ×2 reach. And for engagement, let's say for instance, if your video, your content, you just type the message and people, maybe 10 people comment. So if it were to be video, like it could be 70 comments. So that is the difference. So you need to start creating video content for your business. And if your problem is because you are camera shy, I also have a video on that, how you can become comfortable on camera, because I literally moved from the shy type, my kunya, to this person today that is talking to you boldly like this, internationally, creating gigs and speaking engagements for myself, all started from YouTube and video content. So the third reason why you should start creating video content for your business is the authority. Building authority around your niche is very important. The moment you search a particular topic now on Google, maybe you see my name pop up. If you come on YouTube, it will see pop up. That will also create authority. Like the moment you are seeing more of my video on a particular niche, you know that, okay, this person knows her onion. I remember I have less than 500 subscribers when brand deals started coming for me, because I create an authority about POS business. So creating an authority in a particular niche is also very, very important. Let's say maybe you are a writer and author, and you want to start talking about how you can write and publish your book. You can create a video or a channel concerning that, and you can start teaching people educational content, because the how-to and educational content works most. I also talk more about this in one of my videos. I will link it in the comment section of this video. So the fourth reason why you should start creating video content for your business is building relationship. Like know, like, and trust is very important, because in the online business world, especially on the internet, people don't really want to hear from you. They don't want to even buy from you except they know you, they like you, they trust you. So how do they know you? They will know you because you are out there creating content, creating help, educational content. They will like you because you are always helping them, giving them helpful tips. They will trust you because you are everywhere. Like, there is no way you will see my name, Ijapari Gang, and see my video that I teach you 1, 2, 3 things that tomorrow if I say buy this, that you will not want to buy. It's always like that because the online business world, you need to build relationships. So you need to, we call it KLT, and I talk more about this, about video on how you can sell anything on the internet. I talk more about KLT in that video. I will link it to the description of this video as well, so that you can learn how to sell just about anything to anyone on the internet. The 5th reason why you should start creating video content for your business, people, is the conversion rate. It's very important. Video content can help drive people to your email list. You can drive people to download a PDF. Like any of my PDF, like right now, the one I've been giving out is on how to write a business plan. If you want to have access to that PDF, you can also comment business plan so that I can give you the link to download it. It's a free PDF, just 12 pages. From beginning, I was selling it 1,000 naira, but now I'm giving it for free for all my subscribers. And even when you're just a passerby, just comment and I'll give you the link to download it for free. So it's another way. Video, just like what I just did now, I am getting people's email and I'm gathering it so that I know that these particular people that are downloading about business plan, they are business oriented people that want to take their business to the next level. So I would be able to know how, if I want to market to them. So conversion rate is very high with video. Video is one of the most powerful tools to grow your business. So if you have not been using video to grow your business, please try and start now. You don't have any reason to complain, because like this video you are watching, I'm using my phone. It's only phone that I've been using. And if you want to learn how to start your own YouTube channel with 0 naira, like nothing at all, I have a video on that also, how you will see the equipment I've been using. I don't have lightning, I'm using natural light now. I just open my windows, I'm just using my phone. I don't have tripod, I just hang it behind. I just stock books and I put it. I'm not even using my selfie stick. Before I used to use selfie stick, but the selfie stick is even here. I'm not even using it, as you can see. So there is no excuses at all. There's nothing that is stopping you right now. As I always tell people, if at all you did not see reason why you should start a YouTube channel or start video marketing, using video to creating content for your business, imagine this second, right this minute, if you just close your eyes and imagine the number of people going on Instagram, going on YouTube, going on Google, going on Facebook, searching for information only you can offer. And the information they are getting, are they getting the right one? No, the reason is because you are the only person that owns that information that can deliver to us successfully, and you're not giving that information. That is why some of us are still falling into wrong hand. You see some people, you will Google 10 different times and you are not still getting the specific thing you are looking for. And the reason is because you that you are watching me, you refuse to start your YouTube channel, you refuse to start sharing content for us to learn that which you know, because sometimes we underestimate what we know. And honestly, no matter the level you are at right now, there are thousands of people out there, even millions maybe, hoping to get to the level of what you know. So don't underestimate what you know. What you know, there are a lot of people out there searching for, and that your experience, that your talent, that your gift, God did not give you for you alone. You owe the next generation your contribution to mankind. Start contributing by sharing your business tip, sharing the information, sharing your experience, using video content. So I don't want to turn this video to motivational video, but then it's my birthday month. You can go ahead and start commenting happy birthday in advance. Yes, it's my birthday month, so I'm so excited. Almost all my videos is turning into motivational video because I'm so emotional. I'm so happy looking back at how God has blessed me so far. I'm so happy. So until I come your way again in my next video, don't forget to comment happy birthday in advance. Bye.